Good morning, everyone. Today, the 4th of May 2020. Happy New Month to everyone. We've been on lockdown, and today the government has eased the lockdown, which is partial lifting of the lockdown for us to all go out. You are looking at a video that we've got today. These are people going to banks to withdraw money. Nigerians, something is about to happen if we continue. This is people trying to force themselves into an access bank in Ikotu in Lagos today. These are people waiting to withdraw their money at the cash point. Nigeria, where is the social distancing? Where is the social distancing? Something is wrong with us. Coronavirus must be laughing at us the way we behave. Because looking at these pictures, something might hit us very soon. People, there is a law that says 2 meters. 2 meters. Give yourself 2 meters away from each other. Put on your face mask. But what we are looking at here, people are not observing these rules. Yes, I had argued with Professor Soludo that social distancing is the way to go, that people, Nigerian government must unlock the community. We cannot afford to lock down ourselves like in Europe, like in America. But just like in Sweden, Sweden trusted their people. They didn't lock down, but they trusted their people to apply common sense. And here we are, our people are not applying common sense. Look at the way everyone is clustered. If someone sneezes, there are people who are asymptomatic. They don't even know that they've got the corona. And the way people are clustered, this is a disaster waiting to happen. Nigerians, come on. I look at these pictures, I look at the videos, my heart is broken because it appears, because I had argued that the lockdown was needed to inflict the shock in order for us to understand what is happening. The shock is needed in our spines, but it appears we have learned absolutely nothing. How can we be this careless? Look at a queue in Lagos. People standing close to each other. You ask yourself, where is the social distancing? People, what it means is, if you in any way can afford not to go out, please, by all means, do. This is across Nigeria. This is Lagos. Even in the southeast, in Asaba, in Onitsha, it's the same thing. Here, we have people in Onitsha crossing over to Asaba. We have people from Asaba crossing over to Onitsha. Because buses are not even running, or people are not even interested to wait for the buses. You see, there is no car coming, and people are just going on their own. But where is the social distancing, my people? Let's not turn Nigeria like Kano. Kano is the epicenter of the whole madness now. But here we have a fellow African country, Rwanda. Look at the way Rwandans are standing like humans. You can see every single one of them giving that 2 meter distance, and they have their face masks on. You wonder why they have a very low number. And here we are in Nigeria, we're not even listening. People, something is going to hit us. And when that does, it's going to hit us real bad. I pray, honestly, I pray that this doesn't escalate, but what I'm seeing doesn't give me the confidence to know that we trust our people so much that they can do the needful. This is really painful. The first day, I hope this doesn't turn into a calamity. Maazi Ezeoke once more speaking to us.